Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling required originals and copies. This saves time at the counter. First, verify your current passport and a birth or marriage record match the intended new names. Next, fill Form PC1 or the local name change application precisely and sign an affidavit before a notary if your jurisdiction requires one. Then, take 2 recent passport photos that meet size rules and scan everything so you can upload documents later. Once done, book an appointment online or proceed to the passport office. At the appointment, hand over originals and the signed application so officials can verify them. This is the core verification step. Make sure to present supporting documents that explain the name change, marriage certificate, court order, or gazette, because mismatches trigger delays. Pay the processing fee and obtain a token or acknowledgement receipt with an ARN. Officials may take biometrics and note corrections on your file. After submission, track your application online. Processing typically takes a few weeks, though complex. Once processed, you will get notification to collect or the passport will be dispatched. Bring the receipt and ID when picking up. Open and inspect the passport at once. Confirm the father and mother names match your submitted proofs. If you spot an error, stop the process and report it immediately. Minor typos may be corrected quickly. If the application was rejected, request a written reason. Then either submit missing documents or file an appeal or a fresh application with corrected evidence. This resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.